Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. Alright, so we're doing this video on, I believe, both the brakes and the rotors. Alright, let's go with the brakes first. The rear brakes of this, I believe it's a 2017 Maserati SUV. I'm not quite sure exactly what the model is, but it's got electric brakes in the back. So before you guys start it, you guys gonna have to get it into accessory mode. Now, on this job, the brakes couldn't be put on accessory mode. So, but before we do that, let's actually just go through what you guys have to do just to get. You guys could actually do this without the brakes in accessory mode. All right. First of all, you guys gotta take the little spring out. Take the spring out. And there's two torque bolts. There's two torque bolts in the back. I believe in this video, you guys could see what the socket is. All you guys gotta do is just take those bolts off. After you guys take those bolts off, you guys could actually take the caliper off. Now, caliper is gonna be a little bit sticky, pretty much because the brakes are essentially still compressed. You might have to take a screwdriver to actually pry the caliper off, but you guys can do it. Once you guys pry the caliper off, you guys can actually take the plug off the caliper. Once you guys take the plug off, if you guys already have it in accessory mode, you guys really don't have to worry about that. It'll be already loose. The piston would already be compressed. However, you guys do not have this in auxiliary mode. You guys cannot compress this like regular brakes, brake pads. What you guys have to do, and this is what I did, if you guys have like a 12 volt, this video's on this, you guys can look it up. All right, if you guys have like a battery setup, you guys could actually put like a positive and negative polarity on the little two sockets on the caliper, and it'll either it'll either, the piston will either come out or it'll go in, I think, but it'll definitely go in. I mean, once you get the polarity right, and you know if the polarity is right. I've seen videos where once you get the polarity right, you hear the motor going, it compresses. It doesn't actually compress the brakes. The motor will actually rewind the housing, the gears in the housing, and rewind it so that you can actually compress the pistons. Now, I've seen videos where guys use their hands to compress the piston. It's a little bit difficult. You might just want to use a brake compressing tool. You guys can't use a vise for this because, as you guys can see, I believe, you guys could use a vise for if you guys take the little cover off from the sensor. But in any case, once you guys have it compressed, putting it on is pretty much the reverse. You pop it on, and once you pop it on, put the spring back on, screw it on, put the plug back on, you guys should be good. Anyway, that's my video. It's not as difficult as it seems. Guys have a question, like, leave a question in the comments section. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff, guys. Take care.